Hello, viewers. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to write a descriptive paragraph. In this lesson, you will learn how to describe an object. And the object for this class is my school bag. First of all, I will teach you the structure of the paragraph and then I will explain to you some of the words that you can make use of to describe your school bag. For more such lessons, check my playlist on descriptive writing. If you want a written step-by-step guide, do check the description box for my latest book on description writing. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin understanding this lesson. If you are a beginner at learning how to write, then factual description works best for you. And you need to have a structured approach towards writing. And this lesson will definitely give you that step by step guidance. Here are some suggestions about what you may include in your description. When we attempt to learn how to write, we should begin with a description of objects. The reason is that it is simplistic and concrete. It is easy to describe something that is right in front of you. Rather, translate what you're seeing into words. It should be learnt like drawing a sketch or painting a picture. You should include details with accuracy. When you're describing an object, your paragraph should make your reader feel like they're right there with you, experiencing the moment firsthand. They should accurately be able to visualize the thing through your detailed description. Learning objective. Organize your paragraph around the main reasons why this is your favorite object. Use the following guidelines to make various sentences that form the body of your paragraph. Like, what is it made of? That is the material. What does it look like? What is it used for? What are its parts? What is its utility? Now let's understand the structure of the paragraph. Structure means what are you going to write first, and then what details will follow, and finally how will you write the conclusion. So begin with an introduction to the paragraph. Talk about the appearance of your object, like the physical size, dimension, material of the object. You may describe the shape, the figure, the dimensions, and the color of your object. Sum it all up with an appropriate conclusion. Other aspects that you may include in your description are usefulness of the object, how do you take care of it, or your responsible ownership. More or less, make sure that you describe the object accurately as you see it, without adding your own opinion to it. Practice using common adjective to describe your objects like huge, heavy, spacious, durable, cute, marvelous, amazing. Writing style. You may make use of either active or passive voice while writing your description. More or less, you should make use of simple present tense as it is a factual description. And now I'm going to give you a solved example which is in the form of a paragraph. This is a guided paragraph, which means that I have left some blank spaces where you can fill in the blanks. I have also given some suggested words and phrases in brackets. You may choose one or two words from there and add to your description. In this way, you will be able to use your own creativity, imagination. This will help you to describe your object accurately and specifically. My school bag. I have a marvelous blue school bag. If you find the word marvelous difficult, you can use simpler adjectives like cute, little, red. It has ample space and also has two side pockets and one front pocket to carry essential things in it. You can also make use of the words enough or sufficient, but you should make use of only one adjective out of enough, sufficient, and ample. There is an image of my favorite cartoon character, Disney Princess, illustrated on the front side of my bag. You can use you can mention the names of your own favorite characters or any other thing which might be illustrated on your bag. There are four small but sturdy wheels on the side of my bag to drag it when it feels heavy. Here I am describing a trolley bag. You can describe your own school bag in your own way. I carry my textbooks, exercise books, lunch box, water bottle, pencil case, pencil color, and other things that you would like to mention in it. All my books and other belongings are safe from any kind of external damage like dust, rain, or sun inside this pretty little bag. I pack my bag according to the school timetable every evening before going to bed. My grandfather gifted it to me on my birthday. You can mention the name of any other relative or even your friends. I clean my school bag regularly to keep it neat and tidy. It is an integral part of my school life. If you find this adjective to be difficult, you can make use of the words like important or necessary. And that's all from my side as far as this lesson is concerned. I hope that this video lesson will help you in understanding how to write a descriptive paragraph in a very easy manner. If you want to learn grammar, you can follow my grammar playlist. If you want to learn more words, you can follow my vocabulary playlist. If you want a step by step guide, if you want a step by step guidance that can teach you how to write from a beginner to an advanced level, do buy my book, the link for which you can find in the description box. And of course, if you learned from my video lesson, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Do recommend my resources to your friends and relatives. And of course, do keep watching my videos.